Hello, you're warmly welcome back to Steady Right Hub channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if this is your first time of watching our videos, kindly click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. What do we want to talk about in today's video? We want to talk about the concept of organizing. In my previous video, I discussed with you the functions of management, and we discuss the first of all the functions of management. We talked about planning and how it is essential in business activities. So we want to talk about organizing being the second function of management. So when we talk about organizing, what is it about? Organizing simply has to do with assembling resources or bringing together all resources and then properly use it or channel it efficiently. So when resources are being brought together and properly organized or utilized to achieve organizational goals, that is organizing. So, in simple terms, organizing is the process of bringing resources together and to use them properly in order to achieve an organizational goals. So, when we talk about these resources, it's not only limited to financial resources. Financial resources are very, very important. It's very important for the manager to acquire funds to support the business operation. However, when the human capital is also limited, it is the responsibility of the manager to employ more people to make sure that the work is properly done. Not only that, there should be materials. So these materials should also be present so that the work can be properly managed. So when we talk about organizing has to do with a well-structured activity so that resources will be efficiently apportioned and utilized. So organizing provides a suitable administrative structure, and not only that, it also facilitates the execution of the business plan, the plan that has been developed. It helps to execute the plan that has already been developed. So when we talk about organizing, it also involves other aspects of business such as departmentation, we have span of control, and we have delegation. So when we talk of departmentation, it has to do with breaking down work activities into smaller departments. So we can have accounting and finance departments. So they perform works related to accounts and finance. We have marketing department which facilitates marketing activities of the company. We have the purchasing and supply department, we have the human resource department, and other departments that will be needed for the company. So these departments, each section or department will work towards achieving the overall goal of the company. And also we have the span of control. So the span of control also talks about the number of employees that report directly to a superior. Yes, and also we have delegation of authority. So superiors sometimes give their subordinate the chance to handle certain activities. So this is about delegation, giving some parts of his activities for the subordinates or the employees to perform on behalf of the superior. So these activities are very, very important, and it ensures that work is properly done. Yes, it ensures that work is properly done, and that is what organizing does. It helps to ensure that complex work is being broken down into smaller units so that it can be achieved efficiently. So key words that we want to take note is it has to do with demarcation and enumeration of activities, breaking down of activities into smaller divisions so that activities can be performed to achieve the organizational goal. As this picture shows, we can see that there are units, and each unit have heads, and the heads will also will report directly to the superior. So we can see that the person in red is the overall boss, and then the of the company, and then the activities have been grouped into 3 units or departments, of which each department has a head, someone they need to report to, and the head will also report directly to the superior. So you can see that in the school, whether in the high school, let's use high school for example, there will be the school principal or the school headmaster. So the school headmaster is the head of the entity, and then you see that there will be departments. So social we have general arts department, you have business department, you have the visual art department, and each department has the heads, the HODs, the head of departments. So the head of departments will report to the head of the school, and then the staff within each department. So if it is business, so they have business teachers. So whenever they have concerns, they have to direct it to the HOD for the business department to address the issue. And if the issue is beyond him, then the head of department will channel it to the HOD to address the issue. So you see, it is very, very important for companies to organize their activities. And one benefit is that when business activities are being organized, it helps the employees, the workers, to make a very sound decision. That is one benefit when activities are organized. And the other benefit I want to talk about is the fact that whenever a problem arises, they will know how to solve that problem. Yes, they will know how to solve that problem. So that is one key thing that organizing is very important for companies to do. So you will agree with me that organizing is very, very important. Organizing is very, very important in the organizational setting. Thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget, if this is your first time of watching our videos, subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell if this is your first time. Also, like our videos, comment with your points or anything that you want to add to the video, or if there's any question that you want to ask, you can use the comment section to ask. And if you want to join our platform so that you can ask us further questions, you can use the link provided in the video description below to join our WhatsApp platform so that we can have interaction with you as well. Thank you once again, and look forward to my next video that will talk about directing or leading. I'm expecting to see you soon. Bye bye.